Welcome students, this is the second video of chapter number 5, Elements of Weather and Climate. Today's topic, heating of the Earth's atmosphere. So, first we will know about insolation. So, what is insolation? The heat energy radiated from the outer surface of the sun reaches the earth and heats it. This incoming solar radiation or solar energy is called insolation. So what does it mean? The heat energy radiated from outer surface of the sun. This is sun and this is the outer surface of the sun. Okay, from the outer surface of the sun reaches the earth and hits it. Okay, and this incoming solar radiation or solar energy is called insolation. This incoming solar radiation or solar energy is called insolation. Okay, so now I will discuss about the ways of heating of the atmosphere. The heating of the atmosphere takes place in the following ways. There are 4 ways. So one is through convection, 2 through conduction, 3 through radiation, and 4 through advection. So first point, heating through convection. When air comes in contact with the heated surface of the earth, it gets heated too. When air comes in contact with the heated surface of the earth, it gets heated too. Look at this picture. This is the hot surface and this is cool air moving towards the surface. Heated air, being lighter than cold air, starts to rise. This is cold air or cool air. This is the heavier and this is cool air. This is the heavier and this is light air. This is the hot air. Cold air, being heavier, settle down, taking the place of the rising warm air. The warm air on the reaching of a certain height become cold and heavy once and more and start sinking. Then transfer of heat through this movement of rising warm air and sinking cold air is called convection. So cool air moving towards the surface and heated up and uprise, hot air and again cool down and move towards the surface. Okay, this process is called the convection. Then the second point is the conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat from one body to another when they are in direct contact through the coalitions between the molecules of the two bodies. Conduction is one of the ways that energy is transferred from the earth's surface to the air. So conduction is one of the ways that energy is transferred from the earth's surface to the air. This is the earth's surface. This is the earth's surface. So conduction is one of the way that energy is transferred from earth's surface to the air. Okay, this side. This is the air. Okay. Thus, heat is passed from the warmer earth to the cooler air, from warmer earth to the cooler air. This process is known as the conduction. Okay. Then heating through radiation. A third method by which heat is transferred to the atmosphere from the earth is through radiation. Okay. So radiation is energy that is transmitted from one body to another in the form of rays or waves. The earth absorbs heat from the sun. This is the solar radiation. This is, look at this picture. The earth absorbs heat from the sun. This is sun. Okay. So earth absorbs heat from the sun. This is the solar radiation. This is solar radiation. And this is the surface. This is the surface area. This is the surface area. Okay. This is surface area. And it then gives off this heat in the form of infrared rays. Infrared rays. This is ray, and which are absorbed by the atmosphere and heated up. Okay, that's why यह क्या होगा, this solar radiation heat Earth's surface. Okay, so the earth absorbs heat from the sun. It then gives off this heat in the form of infrared rays, which are absorbed by the atmosphere and heat it up. That गरम हो जाए. Okay, और this process is known as the radiation. Okay. Then fourth point, heating through advection. Advection is the transfer of heat from one region to the other. Look at this picture carefully. Suppose this is region number 1 and this is region number 2. When warm winds mix with cooler winds, warm air mix with cooler winds. Okay, mix with cooler winds. Heat energy is passed on from the warmer winds to the cooler winds through the process of advection. Okay, heat energy is passed on from the warmer winds to the cooler winds through the process of advection. Okay, so this advection usually involves the large scale horizontal transfer of energy. Large scale horizontal transfer of heat energy. Okay, so this process is called the advection. Understand? Okay, so today up to this portion only. Okay, so thank you everyone.